What's the meaning of anticlimax? Anticlimax. 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 Anticlimax.
The term anticlimax refers to a disappointing or underwhelming end to an event, situation, or story that previously built up high expectations or tension. It is when the resolution or conclusion fails to meet the audience's or participants' expectations and leaves them feeling let down, unsatisfied, or unfulfilled. An anticlimax can be intentional, such as in a comedic or satirical piece, or unintentional, resulting from poor planning or execution. This kind of outcome can have a negative impact on the overall effect of any experience and can be particularly frustrating for those who were invested in the process.